Bedroom Eyes. Now, told you about Matthews giving them problems playing in this position. In fact, right? Could have played it there, but Beyanga's position. Okay, sharp. Keep the ball. I need just keep the ball. Now watch here. You can't do that much. You shouldn't have pushed the ball. This touch. You see that touch? You have Bedroom Eyes, you have Silver Fox. Now, one of you needs to make the run there. One of Bafet, great cross there. Aunjebe. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. It hurts me because I saw this coming. I knew we Sundowns will drop points at some point in their last 3 games. It's not because they are not capable of winning a game award. It's because they are capable of giving silly goals and then people will blame the coach. Whether Cardoso wins the league or ICAF, right? Champions League, I know Guti, he won't be there next season. And I'm going to miss watching Amakema work because very smart coach, very tactical, right? I'm going to show you what they did first half and I'm going to show you what they did second half. Yes, one thing that I can say that I didn't like was Uzwane in the lineup. He's been playing in the last 3 games, gave us nothing in the last 3 games, right? I'm going to call him but I'm going to talk about the players. Undlovu, no Adams, but later in the video. I'm going to show you again what the Kaizer Chiefs did to Ngatin. What Kaizer Chiefs did to protect the game or steal a point from the Sundowns. They did this very well. But I'm going to start game. Both these teams had an opportunity to go and score, right? Both these teams had an opportunity to go and score. Just in this clip. Now, I want you to watch this. Sundowns iphumile, pa Allende wants to hit this first time. Sharp, let me play it. Ngizobuya futhi. Could have played the ball first time, but he didn't. Now, let me take it back. The simple pass, I don't think he saw it. Allende la. The simple pass. Yes, there was space here, right? Umutau begala. I'll talk about formations after this video. Let me take it back, kancane. Adams umnikeza ibhola 1, then 1-2 mfana. Imagine bamnikile amnike back because wenzeni udlala i-1-2 Adams uthe 1 then bring it back. Now he tries to play this first time. It's a good idea, there's nothing wrong with that, but the simple pass, because this is a very difficult pass, because vele la akuna muntu la, right? Owe Chiefs umutau uyi-1. Imagine this pass, pa besiphumile. Now Umodi, I don't know what happened there. I think he tried to play it wasukhahlela phansi. I'm not sure, but both of these teams had the chance to go break attack in the first 7 minutes. Now I'm gonna show you how Sundowns started their setup, and then he set up the Kaizer Chiefs, how they protected their middle field, right? Sundowns, they played their usual 4-2-3-1, but they like to change it. Now, thing in Bonis, it's 4 at the back, and it's gonna be your 4 defenders. But remember, when we have the ball, the formation changes, and these are the 2 center backs. Then you have Umudiba out here, Ekoneni, and then Umudau Upushile out wide. Then it was a 3 midfield, Mukwena, Adams, and then Mr. Miyagi will come in here into this space. Mr. Miyagi is here. This is Umutau, this is Umuti. Then the two players, and I said it's a 4-3-2-1. You have Matthews, you have Uzwanila. Then you have Brian Leon up front. And now, what they failed to do was to rotate the ball. Rotate. I'll show you in the second half, Guti. They did that and they were causing problems for the Chiefs. Chiefs, on the other hand, it was your four at the back, and then your two double pivot, and then three in the middle. And three in the middle, Mori on the left, Lilepo on the right, and then Umdu playing as a 10 or a half 10. Then you had Usilva as a striker. The Chiefs, they were protecting the middle. But I'll show you later on. They had a problem with Matthews, because if you look at, now watch this, Matthews makes a run there. And now he wants to go and press there. But Matthews wins the game plan. Now, we know what's the game plan. And why don't you play this ball first time? The ball is coming to you. Why don't you adjust yourself to pass the ball first time out wide there, or play with your right foot? It's what Sundowns failed to do in this game. Right? Let me take it back and show you. You don't have to. You know the game plan. Matthews is going to make the run there, and someone is pressing you. Watch. Adjust your body. Adjust your body. You know, you can even see him. Adjust your body and then play this ball first time. Yeah, because I'm going to show you more clips. Chiefs had a problem with defending. Ebola when Matthews was making runs that side. Another clip. Chelsea Sundowns. Now, ball goes to the keeper, right? Remember what I said? It's the three set midfield. And the Chiefs they give space out wide. Umodi wenzeni uvale the space, right? Ukuthi bangapasi la. You don't have to press here. And sharp. Ball goes where? Ball goes wide. You look at where Matthews is. And Lilepo bafethu. Bafethu no mina ngizomxolela abantu be-Chiefs. No, Ugai must take a break. Bedroom eyes. Now, told you about Matthews giving them problems playing in this position. Simango, bafethu. Yeah. Unlucky there. Mara. You've never scored from there. You've never scored. I don't remember. I've been watching Sundowns, I don't know for how many years. I've never seen Umutiba scoring from there. You have two players at the back pole, yeah? You have two players. Matthews does well. Maybe he could have crossed now, but he does well. Now, your job here is for you. It's not to press Gaku, right? Just stay there. You have two players, especially Umuta. Just stay there. Umangeni Gaku. Yeah? These guys. Why don't you cross the ball? Because you've never scored from there. I think most of us saw that the Chiefs were playing a high line. Not a high line, but they were keeping a line, right? It was a mid block. I think, yeah, they were playing a mid block. Sometimes, yes, a high line. Sharp now. I don't like defenders who play players offside. No, a player must be offside. I would win right? Could have played it there, but Beyanga's position. Okay, sharp. Keep the ball. Just keep the ball. Now watch here. You can't do that. Now you can't do that. Bafethu. Still not over. Beautiful pass there. Guys, I like players that are good with the basics of football. I don't rate players highly who are not good with basics of football. Trapping, passing, izinto ezinjalo. Because there's some things that you can't teach players. Right? You can't teach what Neymar does or Messi. You can't teach those things. But you can teach a player the basic things. If you're a professional player and you lack those things, Sundowns had the chance here. Sundowns had the chance here. Now, okay, let's start with the defending. You can't do this. You can't do this. Even if, yes, we definitely need VAR, but you cannot stop. You can't stop here. You run with him. If akapasi, then you stop. But awukaboni ukuthi ibhola uyaliphasa or kanjani, then you stop. This is wrong. I don't like defenders who do this. Run. Why don't you want to defend? Now, you get the chance, Leon. 4 times. 4 times. 4 times. Bese kuzoblema ucoach. Highline, the Kaizer Chiefs. Mr. Miyagi, bafethu. Mr. Miyagi, bafethu. My favorite player. Now, offside, highline, small things nje. Ibhola started from Umdamani, control the ball, makalphasa lihambe emoyeni, alihambi on the ground. Now Mutiba unaye because alihambi phansi, it took time. You have to control. Bafethu, passing, the basics of football. If the ball is on the ground, it makes things easy. Easy. When a team is playing a high line or an offside trap, every touch is very important. You need to limit your touches on the ball. You have to limit your touches on the ball. Now, he lets the ball. Bafethu. He did well there, Umukwe. Right? He did well there. He let the ball go across him. Now, what BT defend? Then he pushed the ball. That touch was critical. He shouldn't have pushed the ball. Watch. He shouldn't have pushed the ball. This touch. You see that touch? Now already now he's about to pass the ball. He's already in line or he's about to be offside. If he didn't push the ball or I'll pass with that touch, we have to learn to use both our feet. Imagine if you will passing on left. Imagine if Lepola will passing on left. Because umsimango sekalele. Okay, I don't think Begakon will pass on left. But if Begal passes so, because that extra touch, it killed him. Another thing, when the team is playing a high line, you have to recover fast. Right? I need to say hamba your press. Right? We have to recover fast, Tina, as the strikers or the forwards. We have to be in position. It was a free kick. I need to be offside. Not even a minute later, before Lengin Boniseyon. Now, Chiefs plays the ball. Now, watch. This is Umsimang. Sorry, this is Umsimang. This is Matthews, right? Umsimang ngokuphi? Usemuva waka Matthews. Sharp. Ball gets played long. Should have been a foul here, Chiefs la. Ureruti play on. Now watch. Umsimang ula, Matthews ula. Kanjani Matthews. We have to go back. Watch. He's strolling. We want to win the league. We are strolling, Fanagit. Come back. Be in position. Because mind you, we are Smaina Samaula. And you can't make a run. A half a moon run when you are offside. You can't. Had you made your run Ukichime were in an onside position, then make a half a moon run. Perfect. I've said this before and I'll say it again. if there's a team that likes to give away goals, easy goals, out of nowhere, the Chiefs laughed before they scored. No, it didn't look like they were going to score. Then Sundowns Yenzani, they do what they do best. They'll do what they do best. They'll just give a goal away for nothing. Ball goes to the keeper. Bafethu. Now, sisifake under pressure. Nice pass there. Goal. How many shots did they have the whole entire game on target? League is gone. Simple. Go and watch. I'm gonna do a video at the end of the season of my mistake that Sundowns did. Bafethu. Every team, for a team to score a goal, the other team has to make mistakes. But I'm a mistake awalingani. There's easy mistakes, there's silly mistakes, and then gunama mistake. This was not necessary. Now, watch. The ball comes here. The ball is coming from the right-hand side. It's coming from the right-hand side. Bayagnigaza goalkeeper. You could have easily played the ball there. Nale. Yes, okay, sharp. I understand his first thought was Guti. We are going to play out. We are going to play out. Sharp. For me, you could have played the ball that side. Sharp. Now, Bayern press Bayern press. Still, he didn't adjust properly for him. Still, he could have played the ball here. Okay, if you're saying no Bayern press, then there is 1, 2, 3. There's 3 Sundowns players this side. There's 3 Sundowns players this side. As if you're born. There's 1, 2, 3 Sundowns players. What? Adams was raising his hands with mistress, pass me the ball. But what I want you to see or to check is after kicking the ball, his facial or his reaction. Yaga Rowan. He doesn't care. Back. He looks away. You gave the ball away. Okay, why didn't you kick the ball out? If yes, we are under pressure, we can't play out. Kick the ball out in Panagit. Simple. But now the league is gone. Penalty or no penalty? I don't know, you'll decide. But I'm just showing you Guti. The Chiefs struggled with Matthews playing as a half-10. Long ball. Chiefs struggled. They didn't know how to deal with this. Penalty or no penalty? We definitely need VAR. How Sundowns started their structure was for Matthews. That's why, guys. That's why Matthews is Uyayikala game most of the time, because he's capable of playing a lot of positions. Tactically gifted. Earlier I spoke about Umutabu, right? I showed you a clip where Umutiba took a shot, right? Maybe I'm saying what you should have crossed. I'm gonna show you again, but I'm gonna start here. Undlovu already had a yellow card. Now let me talk. Let's leave the referee, but let's talk about our players. Undlovu, after you got a yellow card, you made a lot of fouls. 4 fouls after getting a yellow card. In the first half, you made 2 more that you could have got another second yellow card. Why ungasebenzisi ikhanda lakho? You are already in the bad books. Use your head. Imagine Guti had he got a yellow card. Look at the time. Look at the time. I don't think Sundowns bezoyithola i-red card yona, because bebazobe sebane-space and whatnot. Look at the time. Thinking, Bafethu. Even in the second half, he made 2 fouls, unnecessary challenges. You can make those challenges if on a yellow card. Then Umetu Adams, on the other hand. One thing that people don't know, or maybe abaningi abakayi realize, uboy unoburafinyana vele naye, and you need that as a midfielder. And sometimes when the game is hot, that's when he shows he loses his temper. Now, boy, you already have a yellow card. There's no need for you to dive or ruin it, because one mistake, we are out. Just like that. Okay, sharp. I've spoken about the bad decision making of our players. In terms of yellow card. Now, Mutiba Mpanagit, you've never scored from there. You've never scored. That's because we shy the first time and then you almost scored. Now you want to do it again. This was simple. Dog. Bafethu, when I say, Uguti, there's a lot of players that at Sundown mele ahambe ba replace. It's just that now, how many left backs have they bought after Muti? They just fumble. Right? Okay, angeke sikhulume ngamanye. Ibhola liza kuwe mfana ngithi. There is space. Look at the space between these guys. You want to go there. The simple thing to do is to pass u-Allende, and there's no way ukuthi angasitshela ukuthi akambonanga u-Allende. There's no way. He controls the ball, pass u-Allende la. 1-2 mfana ngithi. 1-2. Because u-Allende because Mr. Miyagi bekazomnika laphaya athi pa. Second half, Sundowns changed their formation, they changed their structure, and they changed their personnel, right? I'm going to miss Ukados. Brilliant coach, tactically, umnandi. I don't judge coaches on trophies, guys, right? Whether he wins the league or he wins CAF, or both, 1 or 2, I know the Sundowns supporters don't want him. But let me show you what they did, right? In the second half. Remember, in the first half, they were playing with 3 midfielders. Allende, Adams, Nomukwe, right? In the second half, Mr. Miyagi, it's the 2 double pivot. My Valegile Mpanagiti, Sky Forster Mpanagiti. Don't poke it. Sky Forster, keep the ball. They failed to do this in the first half, to rotate the ball. Ipola Maltinde Umuntu touchline, Bafit. Right? If you keep on doing that, the space is of Vulega in the middle, because they can't deal with Umetus and Santos playing as a half 10. They can't. That's why Sundowns they didn't create a lot of scoring opportunities in the first half, because the 3 midfielders they were playing. Right? Now you have these 2 joining up. Then you have these 2 joining up. Now you have how many? You have 5 going forward. These 2 by Khala, then 1 would join up, adding numbers. Sorry. My Valegile Mfanagiti, Sky Forster Mfanagiti, Skabamzegezege. Ball needs to go and touch the person osesayidini. If you keep on doing that, bayakhathala. Remember, it's not easy to chase. It's not easy, guys. Keep the ball. Imbobo izovuleka. Just keep the ball. Let me come this side while they are changing. Now let me change my position. Drags him, angithi, kwenzakalani? Kuyavuleka. Okay, sharp. Sekuvalekile. You don't know what to do, angithi, nathi, sharp. Keep the ball. Now watch what happens. They don't know what to do with Matthews. Keep on saying that. Now watch what happens. Matthews drags this guy. Unlucky. If you keep on playing, don't force issues, you will find spaces. Now, Adams, I don't think he saw this. Ne? Not a bad idea, but you look at Umudiba here. 10. Nakia. Imagine had he passed. Look at this space. I'm not saying Guti. He was supposed to pass. No, I don't think he saw the space. He just saw the run. Matthews tactically is gifted, guys. Yes, we are Mesa and wada. But the reason he keeps on playing with Sundowns is because of these type of runs that he makes. show you another one later on. Equalizing goal le Sundowns. Ne? Keeper plays a long ball, clear. Now, yellow card there. Yellow card in Fanagit. Now, this goal does not happen if Matthews does not come deep. Pagat inside. Let me take it back. This goal does not happen. He drops deep to go. Ne? He drops. What happens is he's late and it's sharp. He's late. Now there is space here. If Msimango didn't go deep, it was going to be easy for him to cover. Beautiful cross. But if Msimango didn't go and press there, Matthews, and he was going to cover that ball easily. Hey, but Msimango, ukasiba tape, man. Hey, but I did say Uguti. Chiefs had a problem with dealing with. Yes, I'm saying he played a football game. Like Guti, why didn't they start with this formation? Beautiful finish. Always run to the first pole as a striker. I always say that. After Sundowns got a red card, it took Chiefs 10 minutes to adapt. When you are one man extra, all you have to do is just keep the ball, right? You keep the ball, you rotate the ball. It's space of leg because by a short, Marangiti, Abeko delicious, right? So it's not easy for them to keep the ball. It's not in their DNA. I miss this guy. Spaces ya Vulega, Sereno Buffett. Buffett. Good pass. Good cross. That was a good cross. Sundowns defends the ball. I'll tell you where the problem was here. But let me start with Sereno, guys. Sundowns misses. They don't have a player like this. They don't. With Ribeiro leaving, that's why they couldn't kill off Amake Mamani. That's why if you look at the goals that they scored last year, Manan, because they don't have a creative player, Eliso, that will come and get the ball. I miss this guy. Now, you have Ulilebo and Silver Fox. Ne? You have Upetrum Eyes, you have Silver Fox. Now, one of you needs to make the run there. One of you needs to stay deep. Another song is Paya. One needs to stay. Not C2. Not C2. Imagine if one had dropped. Ulilepo needed to drop. Because Silver Fox, he needed to stay. Come here, Mfanagiti. Yeah? Imagine if he was here. But two of them are Pambi. Chiefs had another chance here. Another chance to go and score. Our fate. La. Stay on your feet, Mfanagiti. Tsotsi wena Mfanagiti wena Vilakazi unana kitsotsi. Yeah? Ubatla ukora mo Mfanagiti. You could have passed the ball there, but I'm taking it back because Sereno made a wrong choice. Watch your Silver Fox. Yeah, Mfanagiti. If you play the ball there, Silver Fox uzolithola ayaphela amaphupho ke forever ke for iSundowns. La, you play it there, amaphupho aphelile. Final clip bese ngiyayivala, right? Great save from Brendan Peterson, right? A lot of people will tell you what is improved, but they won't tell you how. My analysis is Guti. He's much more calmer. If you look at last season and 2 seasons back, Papa, he was Tacharach, he was all over, he was coaching, he was doing that. But now, whatever decision, then make another decision. Not ukuthi ufuna ukwenza i-decision, ufuna ukukhahlela ibhola ungakalibanga. Like that was his problem. Unapapa was chacharak. Now, brilliant save. But here, Msimang almost gave Sundowns the lead. Almost gave Sundowns the lead. Because this was an own goal. It was going to be an own goal. You must look at his reaction after lap. Right? He does this and then he celebrates with, yo, great save. Right? Because it was going to be an own goal. Pa! Aw Marantshebe mfana kithi. Aw mfana kithi. Aw madoda. I-trophy la eSoweto. Aw Marantshebe ndoda. Look at the Sundowns players. Bafethu. Great cross there. Aw Ntshebe. Aw Ntshebe. Brilliant save. Brilliant save. I don't know who's your goalkeeper of the season, right? But how I judge a goalkeeper of the season, I look at the clean sheet and the saves that they made. Not just my clean sheet, because abanye goalkeeper abatholi nama shots on target, right? You look at the clean sheet and then you look at the saves that they made, how they made those saves. I'm not saying Brendan Peterson is the goalkeeper of the season. I am just saying, right? Another thing that I'm saying, please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Nyabonga.